Hello, so in this episode of the Squirrel Tale, I'm going to show you how to do a molding line down the edge of your long rifle. To start, I have this simple jig. It's adjustable with a ruler. These can be found flea markets, farm auctions, online, cheap. And all I did was I glued and pinned a wooden dowel, 5/16 dowel on it. This way it can run on the ramrod channel, which you can't go off the barrel if your barrel's slumped. If it's straight, you can. And you don't want to go on this surface because that's going to be all rough. But your probably best surface that is going to be the most straight is your ramrod channel. So I set this, and you want to do both sides in the same setting, which I already did the bottom one, and I haven't moved it. And I'm just going to take this with this pin, and I'm going to scribe a line wherever I think it looks attractive. And then now it gets a little rough wherever I had a ramrod thimble. So I will bring that around and use a rule to get my line straight there. Now I have a straight line drawn down the edge of the stock. The next thing you want to do is take a large flat chisel like this, and you want to work a chisel mark down the edge. So I'm going to start here, and let me make sure that that's in good camera view. Okay. I'm going to start here. A couple punches. So I'm hitting the side here to move it forward, and I'm staying in that scribe line. Just pull it at a slight angle so it slides, and slowly work the line forward. After you chisel out your scribe line, the next thing to do is you just want to widen it. My technique for widening is using a riffler, and you just want to stay in that cut line. And just widen it. Ever so slightly. You know, go back and forth and so the next thing you want to do is to carve a little tail off. Now you want to carefully draw a line where you want it to end. And you want to transfer that over to the other side. Probably more carefully than this, but I'll make it better. And then you want to take whatever gouge you have, place it up against your line, and use that as a scribe. And then you want to chisel down like this, and then come in at an angle and flip up a chip. And then that's an easy way to kind of taper it off. You could come do scroll work and do all fancy carving, but if you're that good, you probably don't need this video, so that's the easy way to do it. So I hope you enjoy the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and have a good day.
Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe for more great content, and check out our Instagram page at @SquirrelTailShow.